Okay, just in case I didn't get to the answers for this consecutive integer problem, they were -14, -13, and -12. Okay, 2. Eduardo's brother is 2 years younger than him, and his mom is 11 more than twice Eduardo's age. Their ages total 77. What is Eduardo's age? Well, we're looking for Eduardo, so we are going to make Eduardo X. It says his brother is 2 years younger than he is, so his brother is 2 years younger than he is, so X minus 2. His mom is 11 more than twice his age, so 2 times Eduardo plus 11 more, and we have that they total 77. So we have X, Eduardo, plus his brother, plus his mom, total 77. Let's simplify everything we can. So X and X, and 2 more is 4X. When you put these together, -2 and 11, you get 9. And all of that is equal to 77. If you subtract 9 from both sides, you have 4X equals 68. And then if you divide by 4, we have Eduardo is 17. Okay? So the width of a rectangle is 3 more than 4 times its length. So we have its length, and then the width is 4 times the length, and then 3 more. If you total all the way around, which is the perimeter, that's 66 inches, and we have 2 of the short side and 2 of the long side. So we have 2 of the long side and 2 of the short side. All of it totals 66. So we have 2L plus 2 times 2L, which is 4L, plus 6 equals 66. If we combine these, we have 6L plus 6 equals 66. Sorry, it's 66. Then I'm going to subtract that 6. So now I have 6L equals 60. I'm going to divide by 6. And L is 10. So the length is 10. If you take 4 times 10, which is 40 plus 3, it's 43. So your dimensions are 10 by 43. All right, moving on. A laundry basket is full of socks that contain 12 more gray socks than white socks. There are twice as many black socks as gray socks. If there are 120 socks in the basket, determine the amount of each color. So we're going to make the white ones W, and it says there are 12 more gray ones than white ones. So the gray, we're going to make W plus 12, and then twice as many black as gray. So gray is W plus 12, so black is twice what gray is. So 2 times W plus 12. Okay, so we add all of these up. So we have the white ones plus the gray ones plus the black socks, and there's 120 total. So let's do some distributing. So 2 times W is 2W, 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, so now let's combine all the W's. So we have 4W, combine all the constants, so we have 36. That equals 120. We're going to subtract that 36 from both sides. We have 4W equals 84. we're going to divide by 4 to get the number of white socks, which is 21. So there are 21 white socks. If we add 12 to that, we get 32 gray socks. And if we multiply that 33. If we multiply that 33 times 2, we get 66 black socks. So white is 21, gray is 33, black is 66. Okay, number 5. At Target, the price of a scarf is 5 less than the tote bag. So we're going to make the tote bag B, and then we're going to make the scarf 5 less than that B. Alice bought 3 scarves, so 3 times B minus 5, and in addition, she bought 2 tote bags, 2 times B, for a total of $65. So we want to know, well, let me write this here. We want to know how much each of those things is. So we're going to take 3 times B, which is 3B, 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. Let's add the B's. So we have 5B minus 15 equals 65. We're going to add that 15 to both sides. So I got 5B equals 80. And I'm going to divide by 5. So I get the price of a tote bag, which is 16. And if I subtract 5 from that, like it says here, then the price of a scarf is 11. This is money, so let's use our dollar sign. All right, number 6. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle C is twice as much as angle B. Angle A is 20 more degrees than angle B. Organize your information, write an equation to use and solve the problem. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you, but we've talked about it before, that triangles are always equal to 180. Always. The angles always total 180. So we're going to make B, angle B, X. We're going to make angle C twice that, and we are going to make angle A 20 more degrees than B. So if we add all these up, they're going to total 180. So if we combine our x's here, I have 4x plus 20 equals 180. If I subtract 20, I have 4x equals 160. And when I divide by 4, x is 40. So B is 40. C is twice that. That would be 80. And A is 40 plus 20 more, which is 60. And if you add all those up, those are 180. Mediacom, I'm on number 7. Mediacom offers high-speed internet for $22 per month with a $15 activation fee. Consolidated Communications offers high-speed internet for $18 per month and a $47 activation fee. After how many months will the companies cost the same? So you set up an equation with Mediacom 22x plus 15 on one side and Consolidated Communications, which is 18x plus 47 on the other. So now we're going to solve for x by subtracting 18x from either side. So I have 4x plus 15 here equals 47. I'm going to subtract 15. So 4x equals 32. And if I divide by 4, I get 8. That means after 8 months, the companies will be equal. Okay, let's see if we can get through this one before the time runs out. Farmer Smith wants to get his barn painted, so he is gathering quotes from painting companies. Paul's painting charges a one-time setup fee of $270 plus $350 per square foot to paint. Color by Carl charges no setup fee but $8 per square foot. At how many square feet of barn to paint would the two painters charge the same? So we need one side is Paul's, one side is Carl's. So Paul's charges $3.50 per square foot. We're going to make X the number of square feet plus 270, and Carl is 8 times the number of square feet. Okay, so we are going to subtract 350 from both sides, 350x. We have 270 is equal to 450x. And if you divide by that 450, x is 60. So after 60 square feet, the two cost the same. So Paul's, we said, was 350 and times 1800. Here, we want to know what would be charged by each company, plus 270. Paul's would be 6,570. And if you take Carl's, he's 8 times 1,800 square feet. He's 14,400 bucks. All right, the next, let's see if we can finish this. So determine whether each would have one solution or infinite or no. So this one is infinite. This one is no solution. Follow the patterns we talked about. The next one is no solution. And the final one would be one solution, and that would be 4. X equals 4. Okay, this last piece of this, you're looking for a mistake, if he made a mistake or not. So this first one, he did not distribute to the second term. So this should be 5 times 5 is 25, not 5. So did not distribute correctly. Your answer should be X equals 0. So the second one, it's a copying error. Right down here, he changed the 7 to a 3. So this is a copying error. And you should have X equals negative 23. And this last one is correct. That's it.